So the question is, hey KG, can property maintenance affect my property value? Will it maintain it or reduce my property value? We'll talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is a KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty, where we help buyers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, or Virginia region. So if you're looking to sell or move into Maryland, DC, or Virginia region, or move out, please contact us below. We'll take care of you. And we upload videos weekly on different things that is going on in the market region. Please subscribe to the channel so you get updates once we upload a new video. So the question is, can property maintenance affect my property value? Definitely. So let me give you two scenarios. So assuming you're a buyer and you're looking to buy a house, and there are two houses that you really like in the same community and they're priced the same, so you're going in to look at the house. So the first house you walk into, you saw that you can see that the lawn is not well kept. There's a lot of weed in the lawn, and when you look behind, there's some of the lawn equipment just laying around, and you have stuff in the lawn. What are you thinking as a buyer? Like, what is going on? You now walk up to the main door, and you can see that the primer is off on the wood, and you can see that some of the wood is rotten right at the wood trim at the door. The wood is rotten at the bottom. Like, the buyer is thinking, as a buyer you should be thinking, what is going on? Okay, no big deal. You walk in, go to the kitchen, cabinets looks good, the living room looks fine. Now you're going to you're in the kitchen looking around, opening cabinets, and buyers do open cabinets, and you open the cabinet underneath the sink, and you see that there's a bowl of water there, drip drip drip, because there's a leak. Like, okay, there's a leak and they didn't fix it. No problem. Walk away from the kitchen, going to the other rooms, and you notice the return handler, that the AC return handler, all dingy, brown stuff all around, dusty, cake of dust, brown stuff all around. Yes, as we see that. As a buyer, you're thinking, and you should be thinking, and buyers do think, like, okay, something is going on with the AC unit. Is it working or is not working? Why is all this? You walk up to the bedrooms level and you go to the bathroom. You're now in the bathroom. You can see that the caulking around the bathroom tub is all off, all colored now, and you can hear drip drip drip. There's a drip on the sink, right? The sink is dripping water. What are you thinking as a buyer? Oh, what is going on? Plumbing issues. Walk up down to the basement. The basement has some you can't really place it, smell, but you can see some cracks all around the basement. Oh lordy, foundation problem. That's what the buyer is thinking. Step out into the yard, looking around, you can see some dangling siding all around. Siding is dangling or moldy around the siding. What are you thinking as a buyer? You're looking up to look at the roof, and you can see some shingles that are up. So buyers are thinking, oh my god, this house really needs a lot of work. Oh, I have to replace the roof, I have to replace the HVAC system, the plumbing issue, there's a plumbing issue. That is what buyers are thinking of. Now that same buyer now is now at the second house. You're walking into the second house, the grass is all green, oh, very nice green. Walk up to the main door, it looks like they just painted the wood around the door. The primer is good, the wood is good, there's no exposed wood, rotten wood that you can see. Good feeling. Go into the house, kitchen looks good, the cabinet is okay. You open the kitchen, the cabinet under the sink, everything is fine. They have some stuff there, no drip drip. You went up to the bathroom upstairs, everything is looking good. You're not hearing any drip drip. Now in the basement looks nice, no cracks anywhere. Step out to the yard, there's no shingles that is flying off, there's no siding that is flying off. buyers will look at that house and say this is a move-in ready house, and they will quickly make an offer on that house. Now if a buyer is going to make an offer on the first house, they're going to be thinking, I'm going to spend some thousands of dollars, so I'm going to offer them less. That is always the case with buyers, because this house lacks maintenance and the buyer is thinking, I have to do a lot of work to make it good, and I don't know what other things are behind all this thing that I'm seeing, so there's no way I can offer the full price. Meanwhile, this house that is well maintained will get full price, even sometimes higher than full price. So that is how maintenance can affect your value, the value of your house. Now appraiser will say the same thing. Appraiser will come in and see the same thing that the buyer see, and will be deducting this lack of maintenance, that they need to update certain things. So that is what can happen if you don't maintain your house. So now remember, this is different from upgrades that increase the property value. This is just pure maintenance. So it is very important as a homeowner to maintain and continue to maintain your house. Make sure you check the roof, make sure you check the HVAC system, make sure you continually watch your basement to see there's no crack, and the roof, plumbing issue. Take care of these things quickly so that it doesn't become an issue later, and then you'll continue to maintain your own value. So that is how to do it, right? Maintain the biggest assets that you have as a homeowner. All right, so if you're looking to buy, sell, or move in the Maryland, DC, or Virginia region, definitely contact us below. Take care of you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get updates once we upload a new video. Go maintain your house.